Hi, I'm Dr. Laura Jagged, and I am talking about how to use a debit card today. Some people have never used one, and I'm making no assumptions that you know how to do it. There's a really awesome video that shows you how to use one at the store, how to take cash out, and how to use it online. And I'm going to link that video with this one because it's so good. But in this video, I'm going to talk about what it is, how it works, and the information you need to know on your card. First of all, a debit card is a card that you get when you open a bank account. The card is linked to your account and it allows you to buy things at a store or online without having to use cash. It works exactly like cash. With a debit card, you can only buy up to the amount that is in your account. It's different from a credit card in that a credit card, someone is extending you credit. They're loaning you the money and then you have to pay them back. With a debit card, you're spending the money that you already have in your account. When you are buying something at the store or you're buying gas at the pump, when you're using your debit card, you are going to have to put in your personal identification number or your PIN number. This is a number that is assigned to you when you open your account. The bank will often issue a generic one, but then you can change it so it's something that you can remember more easily. Basically, it's a password. On your debit card, there's going to be a 16-digit number. That is your debit card number. It is different than your savings or checking account number, and it's specific to that card. You will also see on the card an expiration date. Both of these things are usually on the front of the card, but sometimes they're on the back. And the other important thing on your card is a 3 or 4-digit number called your security code. It's good to know where these three things are because when you do buy something online and you have to type in your information, they're going to ask you for those three things. Your debit card number, the expiration date, and your 3 or 4-digit security code. These days, you will also see a little chip on the front of your card. This makes your purchase even more safe. When you buy something at the store, you will be instructed to either swipe your card using a strip on the back, or insert your chip into the machine, or nowadays you can just touch the chip to the screen, wait for the beep, and it gets all your information. It's so convenient. Most of the time you will have to punch in your PIN number. When you're buying online, you don't have to worry about that. You're just going to type in your information into your checkout cart and you're done. Another thing when buying online, you are often asked, what is your billing address? It's the address that your statements go to. If you get paperless statements or online statements, you just sign on to your online account and you can find that information there if you forgot. Here's a pro tip, and I cannot stress this enough. Do not give this information out to your friends. Secure it, keep it to yourself, and make sure that you have a safe place where you can have a copy of the card and a copy of all the sign-in information. One of the best ways to do this is you can download an app on your phone. It's an online safe or an online wallet. I use an app called Secure Safe, and I keep track of all of my usernames and passwords, and I also put the details of this sensitive information in there. You could also get an online wallet like Apple Wallet, which keeps track of these cards. I also use an app called Folio, where I take a picture of all of my physical cards, and I keep all that info in the app on my phone. The reason I made this video is because I had a young person who just got a Greenlight debit card and wanted to know how it works. It's going to work exactly like a regular debit card if you had your own bank account. With your Greenlight account, your parents will open up an account and they're going to give you a debit card. There will be a certain amount of money in your account. They will either put money in or you can earn money by doing your chores, and it allows you to buy things. It also helps you learn how to not overspend, how to keep track of what is in your account at all times, and help you budget your money. So again, watch the video that I'm attaching because I think it's excellent. Follow the steps that I just talked about, and have fun managing your money. If you have any other questions about this, I am happy to help you out. I can also make another MOMINAR to clarify some more things if it's still not clear. You can send me an email to drlj@howtolife.com. I have a great podcast about how to make a budget and get out of debt, or as I like to think about it, make a budget and never get into debt. I have a handful of financial podcasts which I think will really help you out. I will link all of those in the description below as well. Click on the Linktree and you can be directed to the podcast, Instagram, TikTok, my website, the Wisdom app. I'm in a lot of places and I'm here to help you out. If you like this video, please make sure you like it, share, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching today, and I'll see you in the next MOMINAR.